You did it! You've finally gotten that perfect smile you aimed for. But all the orthodontic treatment can go to waste if not for retainers. And yet, you can be tricked into paying more for retainers. Or stuck with appointments, wait for hours, or undergo multiple visits. And let's not forget that you just can't take your dental impressions without professional help. Well, consider your worries gone with Retainers Direct, your one-stop, affordable, and convenient solution to order and receive clear retainers on the go. Here's how it works. Visit our website, order a home impression kit, follow the detailed instructions to take molds of your teeth from the comfort of your home, send us the mold in a prepaid envelope, receive your new retainers at your doorstep, and if you ever need replacement retainers, we'll have a 3D file of your teeth to prepare a new one. No need to book multiple appointments. Say goodbye to waiting hours. Get affordable and high-quality retainers without leaving your house. Maintain your dental health without breaking the bank. Worried that you'll mess up the teeth impression process? Think no more, because you can always contact our customer service team. So what are you waiting for? Order an impression kit now. Don't forget to share the information with your friends and family, and follow us on social media.